Good evening, families in the house. Good evening. So I'm here to unbox with you guys. So come with me as we unbox my Christmas clothes. Okay. Don't mind me. Okay. So I bought some things from Shein. As you all can know, Shein and Amazon is my plug. So now comes with me to unbox this. Yeah. Oh. I bought some things, I ordered some things. So now let's see what is inside, right? Okay. Now we are going to be quick, guys. So please, if you like my unboxing video, please do wait to follow me for more unboxing. This is first. Now let's see what is inside. Wow, this is bed sheet. So I wanted some sick bed sheet, so I decided to get this from Shein, and the cost was not that much. So as you can see, I'm sorry, I wanted to check my phone. So it's okay. So you can see it's sick material, because I don't like those clothes material that do normally get rough. I like those sick material that you can easily watch and can easily do. Like, you know, bed sheets is something that we women do appreciate when lying on them, like, you know. So I want to use this for my Christmas vlog. I'm going to get red pillow cover, but I'm going to buy that in the store, not order, because I don't usually, the one I want specifically, I'm going to check for it in shops, not Shein, sorry. So now we've checked those. Now we're going to check the other ones. Now let's put this. Okay, so the second one is this. I got socks for Christmas, so the second one is this. Wow, you can see for children. Wow, they're cute, so cute. Like, seriously, it's not like I don't have. I have the one that remained for last year, but I decided to get this because this one looks cute. So this is the other pair. Then I got those earrings, like just for everyday going. Like, this one is gold. I don't want to lose this because my son do put this for my ear, so I got this too for at home, like just for everyday going. So now this is our Christmas pajamas for photo shoots for the whole family. You can see this one, like, I think this one is for, this one is the trouser. So this one is the trouser, right? Okay. This one is the trouser. I think this one is for the man or the woman. I don't know. Let me see. So this one is the trouser. I think this one is for the man. This one is pajamas. We are just going to wear it on that day, Christmas day. Like, this one, I think this is for them. I think it's for me. I think so. I'm going to look at it later. So is it beautiful? If it's beautiful, please do comment below. Yeah, Nana. If you like it, do comment below. Okay, now we're going to unbox these. Sorry, I took this. Okay, guys, this is another pair of the socks. I think this one is for adults. So this one, sorry, my baby that is making disturbance there, and they are playing, so you guys should know. This one is for, no, this one is for kids also. So you can see the sauce. This is what I eat. So guys, this is it. So this is Shein Kids, meaning those pajamas is for one of the kids. So now let's see how it is. Wow, I think this is beautiful. You can see this one. I think this one is for This one is for how many years? 6 years, meaning my first daughter is going to use this. This is for my first daughter, but I don't think this will enter her. It will not enter her. 6 years. This is for 6 years, guys. And my child is 5 years. I bought 6 years just to like upgrade up. Like, I don't think this one will enter her. I'm going to do this to remedy this situation, or she's going to wait like that, because my child, that my baby girl, she grew a lot. Like, this one now is for how many years is this? This is 12, 18 months. This one is for my daughter, my second daughter. That is my second baby. And this, I'm not thinking it's not going to enter. Let me see. I'm going to try them. This is just for my first, like my last born. I think this one just enter my last born, because I don't know. Let me see. We are going to try it, and when trying it, I'm going to show you guys. So I think I'm going to show you guys for mine, not for the kids, because I don't show the face of my kids. So this one is for my last child. So now let's see if this one is also okay. This one is 9 to 12 months. I choose 9 to 12. My last child is not up to 9 months, so it's like 8 months. So it's not up to 9 months. But I choose up front, baby boy. So you can see, the top. The trousers are all good, but the top, is this not just like that 6 years old? It's almost like the 6 years old though now. You can see the top is always having problem. So guys, let's know what you think about those things. So let me know in the comment section. And this is for my husband. So let's see if his own is going to be perfect like us. I think it's different one, no, but am I the only one saying that this whole thing is different? I think mine and the keys is the same, but my husband own is different, guys. We bought different. So, but we are going to manage it like that now. What are we going to do? We're going to manage it like that. So this is for my husband. We are going to manage it like that. So those the trouser. You see, mine and the keys are the same, but my husband home is different. So I wanted everything to be the same, but since it's like that, we will manage them the way we see them going, which our own don't have going. But all the same, we are going to wear it like that. What are we going to do? Nothing. So okay, this one is for adult pair. I think I bought 2. This adult one, but it seems I bought only 1. So this one for adults. Then I'm going to wear this. Then my husband is going to buy another pair for my husband. I'm going to wear this with the kids. So finish, guys. Bye. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please comment if you love those pajamas. Thank you, guys. Bye.